a startling revelation, former Abia State Governor and current Senator representing Abia North, Orji Kalu, has disclosed his monthly earnings as a federal lawmaker. In an interview on Channels Television, Senator Kalu stated that he receives 14 million naira monthly for his senatorial duties. This disclosure comes amidst ongoing debate and speculations about the remuneration of Nigerian legislators. Senator Kalu's statement contradicts previous reports suggesting that some lawmakers earn up to 21 million naira monthly. The senator broke down his earnings and explained that the 14 million naira covers everything, from overhead costs to staff salaries. However, he argues that this amount is insufficient to meet the demands of his office. According to Kalu, the funds fall short of covering essential expenses, such as fuel for traveling to his constituency and maintaining his constituency office.
How much do you earn as a salary, Senator?
I earn 14 million for everything.
In a year or per month?
In a month.
In a month?
Yeah, but everything compulsory.
In your salary?
My salary, the overhead, the worker salary, everybody. So,
you don't think that is enormous?
No, it's not.
Head. You're not the only one.
No. Let me be honest with you. Mm-hmm. Do you know this money I have to buy fuel, I have to travel to my constituency, I have to maintain constituency.
The senator disclosure aims to dispel the widespread belief among Nigerians that lawmakers live in luxury while the general population struggles with poverty. It raises questions about the actual cost of public service and the resource required for adequate representation. Senator Kalu's revelation adds a new dimension to the conversation. It challenges perception and invites further scrutiny into allocating resources in Nigeria's legislative branch. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for further updates on this story as they becomes available.